Hello, my name is Maria Paula. I'm from Grabando, Dinamarca, and I tell you about my adventure. I was at home when my brother called me to travel to Pereira because he wants us to be together on his birthdays. So I walked to the terminal to buy the tickets to travel by bus to Bogota. When I bought the plane tickets to travel to Pereira. When I arrived, he picked me up on his motorcycle at the airport to go home. Then I took a taxi to go buy her gift and sometimes for the night. Later, some friends picked me up in the car to take me to the place where we would celebrate my brother's birthdays. We took a ride in the boat that was in the lake of the farm. The next day, we went cycling towards Dos Quebradas. But as we were so tired, we returned on horseback. Finally, we went on the Transmilenio to the coffee region to ride a hot air balloon since my brother dreamed of doing that. The means of transport used were walking, bus, airplane, motorcycle, taxi, car, boat, bicycle, big horse, Transmilenio, air balloon.